Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make venison bacon, a delicious way to enjoy your wild game. We'll guide you through each step, from preparing the meat to smoking it to perfection. This process involves blending lean venison with pork for optimal texture and flavor, then curing and smoking it. The result is a rich, smoky bacon that's perfect for any meal. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary adventure. First, combine equal parts ground venison and ground pork for the best texture and flavor. Next, in a separate bowl, mix your curing salt, about 2½ tablespoons of kosher salt, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and your chosen seasonings with 1 cup of cold water. Pour this mixture over the meat, adding 1 cup of non-fat powdered milk as a binder. Mix thoroughly until the meat is tacky, then press it firmly into a 2-inch thick slab in a pan. Cover and refrigerate overnight for proper curing. Now, it's time to smoke your venison bacon. Preheat your smoker to a low temperature, ideally around 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cured meat slabs directly onto the smoker racks. Over the next few hours, gradually increase the smoker's temperature by 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit every 60 minutes, until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue smoking until the internal temperature of the bacon reaches 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Hickory or apple wood chips will impart a wonderful smoky flavor. Once your venison bacon is smoked, remove it and let it cool completely on a wire rack. For easier slicing, refrigerate the cooled bacon overnight. This helps it firm up nicely. The next day, use a sharp knife or a meat slicer to cut your bacon into your preferred thickness. When ready to enjoy, fry the slices in a skillet over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are perfectly crispy. For storage, vacuum seal and freeze for extended periods, or keep it refrigerated for up to a few weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.